third shot yan, Jimmy. 35 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Bernard Jet Lopez. This is for the 400cc up.
Circling in between cones. It's not, dili siya lalim.
Dili lalim, yun ang slalom.
But this is one of the objective to the event. Now on the slalom. 1 minute 8 seconds. So far so good.
Oh, by the way, this is a challenge to test your skills in maneuvering different road conditions and safety awareness. You have to have that presence of mind all the time when riding your bike. Wala mo na kabukligid, plus the balance.
Exactly, because these challenges or obstacles can be applied to the actual road. So
It happens all the time.
the banking now is crossing the bridge. So perfect. That's right.
Oh yes, we go. 1 minute 49 seconds, final stages. Here we go. 1 minute 54. Bernard Jet Lopez. 1 minute 58 seconds.